completed my graduation in the stream of computer science in the MBJ College of Engineering. I got 8.98 with the overall CGPA. When I am looking for an IT job, one of my friends suggested to join Jspiders Hebbal branch, where when I am into this Jspiders Hebbal branch, like I don't know even how to write a even single program. After your experience in this institute, I know how to able to crack the interviews and enter into this institute. I am well experienced with a very good knowledge, and I have now coding knowledge also, how to crack in interviews, and I am having knowledge in that also. Please, if anyone is like suggesting or looking for any IT job, please join the Jspiders Hebbal branch, where this is a very good institute where they are providing a very good knowledge for new emerging technologies, and here the faculties are very supportive and also very friendly. If you have any doubts, they'll clear within a minute, or if they have any work, they'll wait and they'll clear, and they have the responsibilities to clear all these doubts. If have the students having very eagerness to learn any technologies, like so here the faculties and HRs are very supportive in that. And so for that itself, we are the students who are looking for IT job, they are getting placed soon. So coming to grooming classes, where I attended nearly 20 to 25 plus grooming classes. They were added for 15 requirements, and also I went out of track. They sent me, they keep hopes on me, and they sent me, and finally I got selected in a company called MS INFOTECH New GEN with a package of 3.5 LPA after training period. So my special thanks to Pawan sir and Pooja ma'am. My Java take by Anupam ma'am, Rahul sir, and advanced Java take taught by Pooja ma'am, and web technology by Subramani sir, and SQL was taught by Chandralekha ma'am. And my special thanks to Shivu sir, Adarsh sir, and Priya ma'am, where they were added for me the requirements, and also they sent me out of track. So for that only, even any grooming classes is there, they will inform me to attend that grooming classes. So I attended all the grooming classes, and also thank for Arun Kumar sir, who was taught by aptitude. For that also I easily cracked this interview very easily. So thank you Jspiders and Spiders Hebbal team.